A lot of what you're talking about there, not only does it help get you and your executives and your team out in front of the customer and building your thought leadership in your brand and everything we've got to do, but at the same time, those are some of the same things that we need to be doing more of to build our presence inside of these AI engines. The world of SEO is changing dramatically right now. How do you think about then, utilizing those kind of activities, the content that you create, which is always the foundation, right, for SEO, but also being discovered inside of the AI search tools as well. How are you thinking about making that change?
Yeah, so just to touch on the previous point a little. So for example, we put a lot of effort on kind of public references on our site. So for example, Barana has about 65, 70, I think, public references with, videos and case descriptions and more. And, we want to be very specific about specific industry, size of the customer company, plus service pairs so that, we can show that experience that we have. And that's for the people, right? So we do that for the people. We don't do that for AI. But then specifically for AI, we obviously do a lot of SEO, but we need to understand how AI talks about us. Where does it get its information? Do we need to do more PR? Does it pull its stuff from LinkedIn? Do we need to do more person-led thought leadership? Do we need to do, for example, more content in English for other markets, even though we might do a lot of business in Finland in Finnish? And, it's an interesting balance. And I think that's a goalpost that will keep moving these kind of next months or years. Right now, I'd say the initial data says that there's a lot of PR, there's a lot of organic earned, there's a lot of LinkedIn, and very little kind of the classic website authority where, like, with Google, it used to be or is, and how LLMs decide to pull their info. Depending, of course, what you're querying, like, are you looking for learning services near me, or are you looking for best staffing service in Finland for construction companies? But who knows in 6 to 12 months? I think it's really interesting, but also kind of dizzying to try to keep up with this.